Hey guys, it's me, Roblox Jr. here. Oh yeah, my hair's all messy, but ignore the fact. But anyway, so today I finally got all of the Stranger Things Tales from 85 toys from McDonald's, including this one I bought. But I know it just came in the mail today. It's Dustin. I bought him from eBay. It was over $2. I wasn't able to get him originally from the original toy set, but I will show you guys all the toys for the set. I'll show one fact right here. We got the second variant. This is just a normal, boring variant. Just that nothing to say about. But here comes the toy set. We got all the characters in from here. The other side, the box, and this side. So let's get started with the toys. So yeah, I'll start off with number one. So including number one, we have 11. One of my favorite characters I really like. Cool. Box art. So I will show you guys. Here we have 11. This is his little home up there. Or I think it is a home, but it's another came to the show. Here he is. Pretty cool. I like the fact he's wearing his overalls or bridges I think it's called. Yeah, it's kind of cool toy. Move on to number two. At number two we have the Vine Crawler. Open him up. Yes, this one has the McDonald's logo onto it. Turn him around. Just turn it. Yeah, it says McDonald's onto it. From here he is. Vine Crawler. Really interesting. Alright, move on to the next one. At number three we have Lucas. Yes. We have the design right here. Here's the design of this picture right here. Let me just. This. It's a pumpkin. I kind of like this orange theme of this. It's Lucas. Right here. Hopefully a bit focus on him. Yes. Let's move on to the next one. At number four we have Max. Open this drawer up. I like this one because this is a joystick. This is the arcade. Put him up. Here he is. Here she is. Max with her skateboard. Pretty cool. Just wish it was detailed, but it doesn't matter. It's a kid's meal toy. But let's move on to the next one. At number five we have Will. This is box art. Oh, I realized I still have the original paper wrapping. I don't know how they got here. Let me just move this on the way. Here he is. I like this one. This is a Happy Meal box. So I'll just like vines. I'll open it up. See if I get the opening. Hold on guys, hold on. Let me just try to get like a slight opening here. Here he is guys, I got him open. Here he is, Will, with his hammer. Yeah. Yes. Alright, let's move on to the next one, the one I just ordered on eBay. At number 6, we have Dustin. Yep, that's the second. I bought this guy on eBay. Here he is. Open him. See what he has. Ooh, I like this one. I like This is a cool one. No more. I didn't get a chance to get this one at that time. There's Dustin. Pretty cool. Alright, let's move on to the next toy. At number 7 we have Mike. Yes. And this one's actually a pink house. Or a pink building. Whatever it is. It's pretty cool. Pretty bright pink. Here's Mike. Nothing else to say here. Let's move on to our next few more toys left. At number 8 we have Snow Shark. Yes. Here he is. Look at the camera for focus. There's the bike. There he is. It's not as great detail like the one the box art, like the box art does. You know, it's just paint, the paint material. Nothing else to say. Let's go do our next toy. At number 9 we have Nikki. Nikki, yeah. Not confused between Mickey and I don't know. Trying to make it rhyming, but yeah, Nikki. Not Mickey, Nikki. It's actually one of the new members of the show. Ooh, I like this one. This is kind of my favorite one. Like, it has the McDonald's building. But here he is. Here she is. Or I don't know if it's a boy or girl, because I don't know. Well, Nikki's, according to the wiki, saying Nikki's actually a boy or girl. It doesn't matter. But got her. And that's it to say. Let's move on to the very last one. So at number 10, this is actually not a toy, but this is actually a book. Stranger Things book. So I will show you guys. I'll open this up with my scissors. So be prepared for me to open this thing. Hey guys, this is my scissors right here. Got my scissors. I'm going to cut. Gonna cut right here next to the full melt. Also interesting, the packaging uses the exact same box art from the Happy Meal. Exact same box art for the Happy Meal says. So let's go put this guys away. So in here, this is the book. Pretty cool. If you guys want to read this right here, pause on this video to read this from the back. So in here we have got Dustin. It says this book belongs to, and if you want to put your age, so I definitely want to put my age to 18 or 19 if I ever wanted to decide to put my age. So you could do this by using marker or use something, but not a pencil. So use like a Sharpie to put your name and your age. Yeah, I don't think it has. I don't want to show you all of this about it. I don't want to show you all of it. It's just your typical. It's just your normal stereotypical book. I'll show you all the pages looks like this. So there, if you guys want to read this, make a pause. Doesn't sound like fresh books. I'm gonna read this right here. Make a pause. Also, this thing. Oh, I didn't even know this one has like a little. Has like a maze game onto it. Ooh, maze. Yeah, this book has everything besides reading a book. You know, I know most people use it just for collectors. It's like a collector item. There. Also, have connect the dots right here. Connect the dots. We also have. I will try to show you all these pages. Yeah. Just with mine, just ignore my little messy hair. I will probably have it fixed up for something, but anyway, I just want to show you all this from the book. It came. Show you. See my camera can focus onto it. I'm not gonna read it, but if you guys want to pause the video and read it. And yeah, there's like a lot of pages. I will try to speed up for this one. We also have another maze game that I don't think it's a maze game, but I think it's like a little it's a bunch of mini games you can get to do for this one. Yes, so much mini games and it's not just like reading, it's just like mini games and totally. Here we have another maze game. Oh, here we have Hopper. It's one of my second favorite characters of this franchise. Well, if I call it a franchise, since I know it's like a show on Netflix. Yeah, don't mistake me between Austin the Brimstone. Yeah, I'm not trying to be like Austin the Brimstone. It's like a big private Shrek collector, but like a puzzles. Yeah, I know. I actually do watch Austin the Brimstone. Yeah, I actually do love his channel, but I don't want to keep distracting myself from this from that channel. I like his videos, but anyway, but here he is, Dustin. Hopefully, the camera will focus on it. And I guess that's it. It's just a bunch of things to show. And that's part of the book. So yeah, let's show you guys all the toys I got. And here we have it, guys. This is my complete collection of Stranger Things Tales from 85 McDonald's sets. Hope you guys enjoy it. Yep, I'm sure you guys will get the close-ups. So Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hope you guys will enjoy all my newest videos I made, including my gaming content and my VR content. So you guys want to see my other new videos. Have new videos coming up pretty soon for my friend's birthday video coming soon around next month in July. Hopefully I'll try to make it being made in development. Still working on production on to one of my friend's sister's birthday. So we'll see. So you guys have to wait until the next video comes up. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn post notifications. Never miss another video. So, yep guys, bye.